I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2013 Porsche Cayenne key. You see from there. Now this is quite tricky if you've got hands like me. There's a little catch there. You see, you press that across and then you have to slide that out. That's the key. That's the spare key for getting in if your remote's flat. But if you put that key in there like so and then just use it to lever that plastic bit up, you see there you've got a CR2032 battery. Now, battery goes back in the same way with the plus side, the flat side facing towards you, and then just click that back and click the key back too. That's it.